The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye.
I want division.
Those against? But those against? 1 second. Now I say those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is introduced.
Ia kabil halor ka Uniform Civil Code lani ketaka an kaman wengno iki an jekinyam na kam takiru shimat kum ki an penyatho bat kiwei lawan rak mentaka sengi apa yang darbar Raja Sabha. Ia kini kabil lawan rak kum ka private member bill dawe neki MP joka seng BJP u Kirodilal Mina pada dia bawa rak katan kecing persyak kabajur negeri pat ki MP nei nak liang ucapan jongka Raja Sabha nengkong ulapan suara ka voice vote lani kata kecing nyau ya kecing bun beriu hakaba nakaliang kiba kersan kila dan ruplaingot bat kiba persyak pat kilong tang at plaingot hadin ka voice vote kala dan lut kecing ya tebut lani kata ka division vote bat kaliang ka kersan kayo an ruplai kaliang ka persyak kayo tang at pulai kat kumkir kompanya yang Raja Sabha la syak yaki menurut ki khat manonda ya bil hapo in dorbar bat kan ka Uniform Civil Code bill kan long nok kum ka pending bills ba hadin pat kasajan ban kecing ya tebut lani kecing ya jit pada dan ka bil ka syak jit ban wanra apa in dorbar Raja Sabha kenora nak kata banyak tali ni banyak keren syawan pelong kum ka ai.
Honorable members, result of the division on the motion for introduction of the bill, the Uniform Civil Code in India Bill 2020, ayes 63, noes 23, abstain nil. The motion is adopted. Shri Kirodilal Meena ji, please introduce the bill.
Please introduce the bill.
I introduce the bill.
Let the lobbies be opened.
Kiba persyak ya kini kabil kila ong bala rakan kabil ketrikam kari India kan penpai penprai kari India lengkot lengkai hakinyam bahar kejai mendiri kiba pher. Sangat uperta ulah persamaan wak jengtip lau MP jangka jelas Raja Sabha Dr. WR Khalukhi ukersan upersyak yang dekabil nilai hadu menta amcam layu jengtip setia.